Hey, what's going on everyone? Power Chris here, and I am doing my first video of the year. I only probably about one last year too, I apologize, but I'm in Robbins Fireworks in Leavsy, Missouri, and there's a little backstory here I wanted to tell you about. Leavsy was actually underwater not 2 weeks ago. The Missouri River flooded out here in Missouri, and they just built this brand new building for his new store. Luckily, he had them build about 5 feet higher than what they were going to, and he was literally an island, but the building was saved, all his merchandise was. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to do a tour of the inside, check it all out, and I'll see you when we get back inside. Alright everyone, I am back. I am inside the brand new building. And I got cookies for people to eat, as you can see here. We're going to go through the store. We're going to show you the merchandise, show you the prices. What I really like about these guys is that they're really cool about their prices. They don't try to screw people over or anything like that. So we're going to walk over here and look at our first set. What do we got? We have a lot of Realtree products right here. So we got full strut, 30 bucks. We got Monster Buck for 28. Got some T-Sky down there. God Bless America. That's 36. Never a Dull Day by T-Sky, 25. See, those are pretty good, decent prices for Snow Tracks. There's 40 bucks. Pretty good size 500 grammer right there, 10 shotter. King of the Line, 35. Whistling Wings, 30. Crosshairs is 33. And down here, what do we got? We have some World Class, the Fireworker. And that is $32. We got a little bit of some zipper cakes. We got our Brother's Mainframe for 48, 54 shots. I'm not familiar with that cake. Got a Firehawk, Pride and Gratitude, and that's going to be $74. Torment, not a zipper cake, 33. Brothers Midnight is 80. Got Firework X for 45. There's our T-Sky over here. Wicked Good for 21. Magnificent, 30. Honor Respect. Green, solid green. Extreme Machine. It's a great crackle cake. I know Big T Pyro loves that cake. 35 bucks. Captain Jake is 30. Dangerous Minds is 33. Kill Bill is 40. Trigger Happy over here is $19.95. Got Sucker Punch for 80. That's a raccoon brand right there. That's a good size cake. I mean, that's pretty big. Looks like it's got some pretty good size. Got some smaller ones in there. There's some bigger ones on the outside there. American Celebration down there by World Class for 30. Folds of Honor is 30. Courtesy Red, White, and Blue is $19.95. Blue, Thin Blue Line's 30. There you go. One of their people's favorite. Amazing Ballets, 85. Look at this. They got a huge big screen TV that can turn things on and off and show you different. That's awesome. Breathing Fire, $19.95. Orc Skull, $32. There, T-Sky Daddy-O is 24. Grave Digger 35. Hang on guys, kind of messed up my gimbal. There's a Pyro Panther down there is 30. Mad Miner 32. T-Sky. Can't Touch This window. Great Cake 36. Evil Clown, another great cake, a lot of good great colors in there, 20 bucks. Dragon 32. Americana, you can see the prices. I don't know why I keep saying them all for you. You can read. Should be a clear enough picture for everyone to see everything. There's Magic. Raccoon America First 35. America Pastime Good Minute Plus Cake for 44. Not in my yard, 25. Here's some from the Neon Fireworks Peonies. Those are 36. Got a Peacock for 68. Country Boys 69. Another zipper. Night We Stand 84. 9mm is 60. There's some more Neon Fireworks. Pro Peonies and mine zigzagging. Another 36 bucks. Fighting Rooster, another great cake, 35 bucks. Say What? Smoking Hot. Dominator brand. We got the Mammoth White and the Mammoth Red. Both those are great cakes, 38. And Precious is a really good shot from window. It's got a lot of different effects inside of it. It's a nice one for 40. You've got a Bright Star down here. There you go, 33 bucks. Wouldn't go wrong with Guerrilla Warfare. Another 36. Bad Axe is 30. Midnight Sunburn, another great cake, 32. Blonde Joke, 32. Oil to None, 34. Bad Mother-in-Law, really one Bad Mother-in-Law, 34. Wind Up, pretty good cake right there. 36. Hit the Road Jet. And Grudge Match by T-Sky. They have more. I Am the Storm, which I have a case of these. This is an amazing cake. It's 40 bucks. True Art, 34. The Hogfather. So some Sky Bacon in there as well from 76. That's 40. Big Mother Clucker is a fantastic cake. That's 38. A lot of trillions inside of it to make the breaks. Really, really awesome. Sweet Spot. Got some Fuse. Got some Connectics. Yikes. And a case of Yikes. Amazing cake as well too. Pigskin right next to it. Polar Attack. Dirty Little Secret. This is from Robbins Fireworks, Terminal Frost, 35. It's actually a really good cake. Temper Tantrum, 34. And we have more to go. What do we got here? This is Dynamite Fireworks, 132 huge breaks. Was it 60 cal? I don't know, looks like quads, doubles, singles. 125 bucks. So, where's the price? There it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a box. So, lots of different breaks in that one. Now here's a Sky Bacon. Black Dragon. Really good 7-shotter. I like those big 7-shotters. They got some really big breaks in them. Shoot kind of low, so really spread the sky out. Here's Civil War. 60 bucks. And this is what gets me. Their no-abs are only 60 bucks. In retail, you guys know that is just dirt cheap. Double Down. 60 bucks. Mother of all bombs. 60 bucks. You see that other places going for 100 plus. They're hardly making anything off of it. Believe, 60 bucks. The newer, bigger, bad, One Bad Mother, 60 bucks. Jellyfish Aquarium, 60 bucks. That's a great cake too. Really cool effect. Battle Cry, 60 as well. So all these big heavy hitter no abs for 60 bucks. That's really fucking awesome. Excuse my language, I kind of cussed there. We got more Fuse here. Look, Fuse $3. People can afford that. That's really cool. ConnectX $3.50. Cheap. So I mean, that's just a little bit more than what you normally would pay for getting it online and stuff. So that's a really good deal. But here's something really cool. Got the Orbitron, 28 bucks. So a little Girandola in there. They also shoot some mines off as well by Grand Patriot. Really cool. Good price too. Some Bam Bam tubes. Everyone knows what those are. Yeah, they got the Def Shells here. 70 bucks a sleeve. Neon Nishiki, which I don't know anything about these ones. So I don't know how good they are, but they're 70 a sleeve as well too. Interesting though, by Dynamite. Then there's just Neon over here, 5-inch. Those are 60 a sleeve. Again, I don't know anything really too much about Dynamite. Excalibur 60. Diablo shells are 70. Grand Patriot's Big Brutus is 60. Real Tree Wildcats are 60. What we got going over here? $110 for United We Stand, which is a bunch of different shells from World Class. Backyard Hero, $200. 84 shells, 124 breaks. What else we got here? We got some 12-packers of Diablo. There's some Killer Bees. 76 Supernovas, which are great. King Arthur, you know, it's just Sir Lancelot. I'll show you guys the prices as well. So I'm not into the single sleeves. Better deals you can buy it by the whole big sleeve. Hellcat cans. Heck of Fire. Looks like some decent ball shells there. I don't know that. Oh, here we go. There's another Raccoon brand right here. Nishiki Blast. Little Magnums. You got the Zeus for 48. That's actually a pretty decent price. Home of the Brave over here for 30. I don't like those. I'm sorry. I don't like those little tiny ass canisters. That just bug me. Some single loads. 5 or number 500. 500 single loads down here. $8.75. And that's good prices for what they are, because people normally charge a lot more. Here's a double break finale, 33. Triple break, 38. 300s are $6.75. 100s are $5.75. So pretty decent on that side. Let's go around here real quick. See what we got going on here. So we got Fourth and Boom, also by Dynamite. This is a 275. And it looks like you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is pretty big. Hang on. And that's the whole thing. So you get 1, 2, 3, 12 packs of ball shells. You get 3 packs of the original canisters. And you get a mix of ball canister and double and triple. And then you get doubles, and then you get triples. So that's a pretty good variety pack. And it's a big ass box too. So there's a lot of shells in this one. And you get tubes and everyone. I'm not sure what kind of tubes, probably cardboard, but interesting. Very interesting. Well, this is, I don't know, here's a big, scan down for you guys, going the wrong way. Hang on, I gotta change my, I'm just learning how to use this gimbal, so bear with me. Yeah, Dynamite brand, got the big rolls of firecrackers. Looks like there's Thunder Bomb or Dynamite, $75. And then you have this. So for $200, you can get everything you see right there. At tier 2, for $350, you get everything you see there. And at tier 3, for $500, you get everything there. So they're kind of building a kit for you to take home. That's pretty neat. That's nice of them. That should sell. Looks like you also get some fuse in there as well. So that's alright. I like that. Here's one of our little Godfathers. $4.90. Yeah. Lots of cakes inside there. Cyberspace rockets. World class. That's a big rocket pack. So let me flip this up a little bit. There's still more down there. I think that's the end down there. So quite a bit of rockets there. And you got the big one. World class. $4.80. There's the prize. All the shells, all the cakes. Everything there. Brothers container load. $4.50. All the things they have inside there. Ring rockets are $10. There's some of the rockets here. Oh, there's a better picture of that cyber rocket. Let me, I can do this right. Sorry guys. Stingers, 18. Mavericks for 12. Stellars. Here's a Ground Zero pack for 30. Or a Dragon Rage rocket pack for 20. And then down below, it's got all the small rockets you can think of. You got some firecrackers, you got Dominator, you got Triple X, you got some Lady Crackers, you got Rolls, Shogun, Maddox, some Naughty Boys, Thunder Snaps, Thunder Bombs, Black Cat. So a pretty good mix of different things. Got the Magic Whip up there. You've got Celebration crackers. So that's got the head bomb in it and everything like that. $8. That's a good price. Big Blue Balls and Pyro Viagra. Both really cool. Great crackle balls right there. Huge amount of crackle. Then you got some rockets up there. Tomahawk, Sidewinder, Savage, Apache, Strikers. And all the prices go with it. And you got your parachutes, drop zones, bailout, reloadable parachute. plain drops parachutes, mammoth parachutes, army parachutes, Geronimos, Roman candle parachutes, double day. These are all just what you find everywhere. So good stuff. Slide over here. Then we got some smoke cannon. Not sure what that is, but that's different. Confetti cannon. Then you got a bunch of just Roman candles. All pretty basic Roman candles here. Nothing. There we go. Then you got the bigger ones over here. You got flamethrower, rapid fire, some more rockets, color garden. Look, another big ass screen. Show the fireworks off. Lots of. I'll go back to the novelties. I want to hit these 200 grammers real quick. So we're going to go around this side. So we got bottle rockets down here. Silver Hawk. T-Sky, Moon Travelers, nothing. Got one of those big fake firecrackers in 5. So there's 750 shot. $50. 800 shot, $50. Extremes, okay, 5. Saturn 300s, 100, 25 shot. Huge. Bullet Storm, really good one. Crimson Storm, another really good one as well too. Jumbo 12, Inferno 12. We got the mechanic pack, $9.50 a piece. Bombs Away, $9.30. Think Twice, $9.20. Grapes, I'm gonna guess is about $9 as well too. American Muscle, good little cake, $6.50. Death Squad, $9.50. America Booze and Drinking, Refusing to Lose since 1776, $12.90. Peekaboo by $9.20. Really good cake, by the way. AI, $11. Hot Dog, $8.50. Bada Boom. Those little, I don't like those ones, but some people do, I guess. America the Beautiful, $12. Mini Noab, $9.80. Poker Face. Boneyard, good cake, $14. And probably one of the cooler cakes. Love this cake. Anybody who don't care, $14.80 as well. Great cake. All right, let's go back around. Let's go this way. What is this? We have a Laying Down the Law, which is a, there we go, $145. That's the box. So 200 grammars. Oh, here's a Total Destruction down here, $185. Get the Excals in the inside there. And then all the cakes down here as well too. So what else do we got over here? Red, white, and blue Mighty Max. Here's a Real Tree Pheasant Hunt. Wiggly Tadpoles, I'm going to assume is a fish cake. Just hanging, really good cake right there. Zebra Cake, another decent cake. Hello Neighbor, haven't shot it. Don't know. Crazy exciting. Got a little 200 grammer. The Cowboy, classic, been around for a long time, $12.60. Graffiti, Ultimate Warrior, Chickaboo Road Trip. Really cool little cake, couple yo-yos, $3. Executioner. That's your problem. These are just really cool little small cakes that are cheap, easy, good things to pick up for a cheap price. Maybe I'll do a $100 show here. I'll just buy $100 worth of stuff and see what I can do. Tequila Party. I don't know that one. That's a boomer. Huh. Looks like there's like a plastic, right here. Happy Face, Magical Bra, Sky Shooter, Bling Bling. You know, $11.80. That's cheaper than a lot of other places. Bring It On. Sunburst, Amazing Mini Ballet, Zombie, Bite Your Tushy, pretty good cake, Casanola, Call Me Wayne, Patron, and Angry Beaver. So that's your 200 grammers. Let's run over. Be a Backyard Hero for $200, and you get 84 ball shells and 24 breaks. I think we saw that one already. Alright. Koi Pond, Lighthouse. This is a great cake fountain right here. It's a really good fountain for one, and it's got some really cool strobe in it at the end as well. So that's for $10. That's a really good price. And right down there's the juniors, but here's the major snow cone. That's also $10 as well too. Really good prices. Here's a Night Creeper. I don't know, it's a funny feeling that I don't know what the hell that does, but good price. Here's some lemonade. Wiggle Wiggle. Call Me Just Tripping. Dragon. Electric Fizz, good name. Ballerina Ball is also a pretty cool one too. It's got a good spin to it. A soccer ball. Happy Panda. Looks like the eyes glow in this one. Blaze, Real Tree, After the Hunt, Popcorn Cone. Crushing Candy, Quiet Storm, Cracker Barrel. I mean, you guys know what these are. This lasts forever. Fantasy, Angel's Kiss. Stay Cheese, another really good one as well too. It's a flash effect to it. M&M. So that's some of their fountains. Let's go check out the rest over on the other side. I'll spin this around. There we go. Got the Bad Boy right there. Pure Fantasy, which is just a phenomenal small little fountain. Just great fountain. Popcorn Snowballs, Maui. Classic Warbirds. Heavy Metal. Nightmare. And my favorite fountain of all time is the Reaper. I just love that one. And I got one. Time to Shine. Psychedelic. 180, shoots for 180 seconds, so 3 minutes. Bigger Than Life, Men of Honor. You can also buy ammo cans here. They feel heavy, and I think there's something inside of them. And they're $18. There's the ammo can items. That's what you get inside there, actually. Flip that around. You get a bunch of good little things in there, and you get an ammo can. Or you can get a paint bucket for $20. And inside the paint bucket, you get all this stuff in here. I'll be honest, I really like the ammo can better. And then you also have the ammo box down here for $45. And this is what's inside the ammo box. Yeah, good lord, hang on. Let me get some light to it. Looks like it's just a mixture of everything in the other 2 cans put together in one. A lot of novelties, lots and lots of novelties, good for the kids to play with and everything. Alright, and I think, what is this? So I got this little doohickey here in the middle. Wheel assortment. Make your own assortment. Fill the bag as full as you can. A mixture of anything from this table. Here's the bag. For $10, you can get firecrackers, snakes, smoke balls, poppers, or snaps, then poppers. You can get parachutes. You can get Saturn missiles, or you can get sparklers. That's a pretty cool idea. I like that. That's neat. Oh, there's some more Arbitrons, some more fountains. I was not impressed with this fountain, by the way, guys. The toy's cool. It's $10. Fountain kind of sucks. There's a smoking gun, and then there's a refill. Interesting. And all through here, what you're going to find, all the novelty items, which is pretty much the same novelty items that everyone else has. So I'm not going to go too much into this. I'm not going to go into this at all, actually. And I think, guys, and I mentioned the TV. There's actually 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, here, I'll show you. I gotta have this stupid thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One behind is 8, 9. It's almost 10 around. That's really, really cool. So I think I'm going to end the video here. Got some things up on the walls and the ceilings. Just a cool place. Really good people. So if you're ever in Leavsy, come check out these guys. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Until then, pyro out.